My name is Ruchitha Prasad V. I completed my bachelor's in Jspiders. I got passed out in 2023, and then I joined Jspiders and completed my Java full stack course. And here I came with I didn't pay anything. Just I got selected from my college, and here they didn't do any partiality like that. And they used to support me. They used to solve all the queries, and they are the reasons to build my confidence level too. And they will try to bring out good things in us. And we have attended many presentation classes and so many grooming sessions. Everything is now helpful for us. And when it comes to HR, when I was there, I got Rika ma'am as HR. Even she used to provide many information. When we were something like when we miss out something, she used to guide us with her, guide and support us.